This is a 3D print can make something from nothing, although it is not done in an instant, but its unique ability is really shocking. So how did it do it? Attention! 3D printing is actually a kind of add-on manufacturing technology. Add layer by layer until completion. In contrast, cutting material is made from a piece of material, removing some materials to form the final product. Pay attention to the waste material underneath. The model made by the add-on will be much less waste. This is the advantage of 3D printing. Let's take a look at the composition of the printer. This part is called the door frame. The touch screen is used to control the printer below. Of course, you can also use a computer or mobile phone to operate it. There is a plastic bracket fixed to the top of the machine. The end of the wire needs to be manually inserted into the tube. The head of the tool will be entered through the plastic tube. Inside, the filament will be melted from the bottom. There is a non-circular motor inside. When it rotates, it will drive the belt. The belt drives the head to move left and right. There are turntables on both sides. When these rotate, the turntable and the tool head will move. They call these V-shaped turntables. This means that the head can only move in 2 dimensions. But this is a 3D printer. For the 3rd dimension, the printing platform will move on the outer axis. There is a non-circular motor drive belt below the printing platform, responsible for the moving platform. There is a camera here. It can be shot in the construction room. Most of them are used to make delayed videos. It will be very interesting to watch. Let's take a look at how it works. Press the print button. The construction board begins to heat up. Inside the head tool, the motor starts to rotate and the filament is pulled in. This is when the nozzle will become hot. Its temperature can reach 220 degrees Celsius. Even if there is a protective cover, don't touch it. The tool head will clean up the consumables on the left. It can also be called a printer discharge. Then, in order to ensure that the printing platform is balanced, the head will automatically adjust. After everything is done, you can start printing. The first layer is very important. It must be glued very well. The printer will first draw the outline. Then draw the inside. The inside is called a fill. You can also make it completely solid, but it will waste a lot of material. Usually it will make about 15% fill. Make sure there is enough internal structure to maintain the shape. After printing, the construction board will be very hot. Please be careful to take it. It can usually cool down in a few minutes. If you need to print more colors, you can install an automatic material system. The device is directly connected to the printer. Different lines are placed up and down. 4 transparent tubes are connected to the head. Everything is automated. The machine will identify. This is the process of 3D printing. 3D printers can make various toys, dolls, and movie props. It can also print the daily necessities. The only thing that can limit it is imagination. Musk printed the rocket parts with it. NASA hopes that astronauts will take this to outer space, so that you don't have to carry too many tools and accessories when you set off. What else do you want to know? Tell me, I'll do it.